Hi there, are you looking for the best freelancing sites to kickstart your freelancing career? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss the top freelancing sites that offer you the best opportunities to showcase your skills and earn a decent income. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest and most popular freelancing platforms, with over 18 million registered freelancers and 5 million registered clients. Upwork offers a wide range of job categories, from web development to digital marketing to graphic design. You can create your profile, highlight your skills, and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. Upwork also offers a time tracking feature, which ensures that you're paid for the time you work. Additionally, it provides a secure payment system, which guarantees that you will receive payment for your work. Fiverr. Fiverr is a great platform for freelancers with specialized skills, such as voiceover artists, translators, or graphic designers. Fiverr offers a unique feature called gigs, where you can create specific services and set your price. Clients can easily search for and order your services based on their requirements. Fiverr also provides a messaging system, which allows you to communicate with clients before you start working on their projects. Additionally, it has a built-in payment system, which ensures that you're paid for your work. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is a popular platform that offers freelancers access to thousands of job opportunities from around the world. Freelancer.com allows you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and bid on projects. The site offers jobs in categories such as writing, programming, design, and marketing. Freelancer.com also provides a messaging system, which allows you to communicate with clients before you start working on their projects. Additionally, it has a secure payment system, which guarantees that you will receive payment for your work. Toptal. Toptal is an exclusive freelancing platform that focuses on providing clients with the best freelancers. Toptal's selection process is rigorous and ensures that only the top 3% of freelancers make it to their platform. If you're a skilled freelancer, Toptal could be a great option for you. Toptal also provides a project management system, which allows you to collaborate with clients and manage your projects. Additionally, it has a secure payment system, which guarantees that you will receive payment for your work. PeoplePerHour. PeoplePerHour is a UK-based platform that offers freelancers access to thousands of jobs worldwide. The site offers a variety of job categories, including writing, web development, graphic design, and digital marketing. PeoplePerHour allows you to showcase your skills and bid on projects that match your expertise. PeoplePerHour also provides a messaging system, which allows you to communicate with clients before you start working on their projects. Additionally, it has a secure payment system, which guarantees that you will receive payment for your work. In conclusion, these are the top freelancing sites that offer you the best opportunities to showcase your skills and earn a decent income. Whether you're just starting out or have been freelancing for a while, these sites can help you find clients, build your reputation, and grow your freelance business. So, pick one or more of these sites, create your profile, and start bidding on projects. Good luck. For each platform, the script explains the job categories it offers, how to create a profile and bid on projects, its messaging and payment systems, and any unique features that set it apart from the others. The script concludes by encouraging viewers to pick one or more of these platforms and start building their freelance business. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions for future videos. And if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload.